So guys, before I proceed with my review for the Blackview A70, this one is a preview of the Blackview A100. So this is not in any way my own personal opinion or review of the unit. This is just a preview as requested by the company. So the Blackview A100 has a motto of go beyond expectation. So it will be available pretty soon, stashing $110 off from June 21 to July 3. And this will be available at AliExpress and Banggood Official pretty soon. So this phone has a screen size of 6.67 FHD plus with an aspect ratio of 20:9. It is 1080p with a 395 ppi. Together with it, it has a 8MP Samsung front camera. At the rear, it has a 8MP wide camera, 12MP Sony IMX362 together with a depth sensor. So this phone is said to capture wonderful night scene together with a powerful gaming mode. So the Helio P70 would give you more punch when you play your games and you run all your apps throughout the day. So this phone also has a 4,680 milliampere hours of battery together with a Doke OS 2.0 and a 6 gig of RAM, 120 gigs of storage. Together with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and a NFC ready. And this phone also comes in two colors, Galaxy Blue and Graphite Gray. So guys, also don't forget to check out the Blackview 618 Summer Sale, which is happening now. I'll be posting the link below on the description box and what you would be able to get for this festival. So for the Blackview 618 Summer Sale, you can get items up to $220 off by using the link that I'll be posting on the description box below.
May bagong challenger na naman sa smartphones, and this is my first time to hold this brand, Blackview. So when we say Blackview, probably one of the best naalala ko back in the days is the BlackBerry. Lahat tayo halos mahilig sa BBM chat, and sayang nawala na ng tuluyan si BlackBerry dahil wala nga silang ginawa. Hindi sila nag-improve and talagang naiwan sila. Pero probably they are one of the revolutionary companies pagdating sa smartphones. So guys, enough of BlackBerry. Let's get into it and unbox the Blackview A70 dito sa kamay ko. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond and welcome back to my channel. So guys, itong phone ito comes with a processor of SC9863A, which is a octa-core processor, no? Then sinamahan pa siya ng 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage. So guys, magugulat kayo sa presyo ng phone na ito. As of this time, na ginawa ko tong video na ito, no? This price is 5,556 sa kanilang official store sa Lazada. And probably it's one of the cheapest phone that comes with an Android 11 support. Yan ang ganda sa phone na ito, no? Android 11 na siya. Ready ka na. Future-proof. Then what I like about this phone is 2 nano SIM and 1 SD card. Pwede mo ikabit dito sa phone na ito. Tinignan natin kanyang Antutu benchmark. Binigyan siya ng 105,000 points, which is more than average sa mga entry-level na processor, no? Normally, nakaka-score sila 85, 95. Ito, 105 na, no? Not bad. Not bad. Then, ang kanyang score sa i22 benchmark is a 57,000 points. Tinignan natin kanyang DRM info, no? Definitely, I don't expect much, no? Level 3 nga talaga nakuha niya sa kanyang wide security. So, ang display ng phone na ito is a 6.52-inch IPS LCD 720p. And ang kanilang likod, no, is definitely a plastic. So, tinry ko manood ng kunting videos dito sa phone na ito, no. The viewing angle is good. Though, masasabi ko, medyo malaki ang kanyang baba. Then, of course, ang kanyang teardrop notch is a little bit big, no. And bezels niya sa sides, medyo big, which is taking a little bit more space than usual. So, guys, nakita natin, ang kanyang watermark is logo here. Meaning, hindi pa siya pulido, no? Pero after isang software update lang, nakuha naman, na-correct na siya, it became Blackview A70. Now, yung mga pictures niya, no, is okay, average. Di ko naman masasabi sa iyo na ganon kagandahan. And masasabi ko sa iyo, very, very entry-level like na pictures na makukuha mo dito sa phone na ito. Yung pwedeng pang-post lang sa Facebook, okay na. Hindi ko siya masasabi na maganda siya, matingkad, or probably average. Or I can say, okay lang. So guys, sinay natin magkuha na ilang selfie shot from kanyang 5MP na front camera. So kita natin, no, some outdoor shots is okay. Matino naman. Lalo na pa nag-zoom ako. Okay naman siya, no? Wala akong masasabi, no? Pero when it comes to low light, ayan, makita na natin ang difference. Very, very grainy. Hey guys, this is Richmond of Gadget, Sidekick, and right now I'm using and holding the Blackview A70 and trying its front camera for vlogging. Well, it's a bit shaky based on what I see, and probably the image is not that bad. To be honest with you, it's not really that bad. Check it out. So nakita natin mga videos, no, from outdoors. It's okay, not so bad. Pero pagdating sa madilim, no, talaga makita mo talagang grainy na siya. And one thing that I noticed, medyo matagtag nga rin siya dito sa camera niya, no, when it comes to video. Now, speaking of video, ang kanyang rear camera, before this update, makita natin, kalahati ng screen is may tint. Parang dark tint, black tint, ganun ang effect. Pero na-correct naman siya agad sa isang software update. So guys, pinagmamalaki ni Blackview na malaki ang kanyang battery. At 5,380 mAh, it supports up to 5 watts of charging, no? Then tinry ko gamitin kanyang default cable and default charger. Dinayin natin pababa ng 14%, no? Then chinarge natin pabalik all the way back to 100.
And nakamit niya, no, halos 7 watts sa kanyang default charger based on my watt meter. Then, nagtapos tayo, no, in 3 hours and 18 minutes. So, guys, sinalang din natin ito sa battery stress test, no, ng PC Mark. Then, nakakuha tayo ng 14 hours and 29 minutes, which is, for me, very, very long-lasting siya. So, guys, nagtapos na tayo mag-review na itong phone na ito, the Blackview A70. And sa kanyang presyo, masasabi ko sa'yo, murang-mura siya, no? And wala akong masabi. Really, it's a very, very cheap Android 11 device. Yung kanyang camera is for me so-so, harap and likod. Pero ang kanyang battery definitely is sobrang kunat. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi ma-miss sa mga future reviews ko dito sa aking channel. So sana magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Paalam na muna sa inyo.